Announcing Jane the Disco Queen.
Can I be an 80s daydream? Can I dance real slow, baby? I know you.
Man.
Keep him addicted. Lies on his lips, I lick it. That's what you are. Category bad bitch. I'm the bar. Alien superstar. Whip. Unicorn is the uniform you put on. Eyes on you when you perform. Eyes on I when I put on. Mastermind and haute couture. Label horse cake clock. I'm so obscure. Masterpiece genius. Patty cake on their wrist. Tiffany blue billboards on the ceiling. We don't like plain. Always dreamed of paper planes. How high when I rodeo, then I come down and take off again. You see pleasure in my glare. Look over my shoulder and you ain't scared. The effect you have on me when you stare. Head on a pillow, height, get in the air. Too classy for this world. Forever I'm that girl. Pichu, diamonds and pearl. Oh baby, I'm too classy to be touched. I pick them all in dust. I've sent you in my love. Oh baby, music when you speak, you're so unique. That's what you are. Lingerie reflecting off the mirror on the bar. Category sexy bitch. I'm the bar. Alien superstar. Reaching out to the solar system, we flying over. Bullshit, we flying over. Supernatural love up in the air. I just
Sex? Nah, I don't have sex. I don't have time for that shit. I work too much. It's just music, 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 and money for me, literally.
Money on my mind, 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 money on my mind,
that's right.
Money on my mind, so money is all I think of.
That's right.
Money on my mind, money on my mind,
bitch.
Money on my mind, money on my mind,
Get up.
money on my mind,
Bitch.
Money on my mind.
Young gas. Yeah, right. Yeah, my mind. Yeah, my mind.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need, right? Yeah, I really need time now. I need to free my mind. I really need my love. I need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I need to free my mind. I really need my now. Yeah.
If it wasn't for the money, cars, and movies, style, and jewelry, and all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me? Would you still be calling me? Still be loving me? If it wasn't for the money, cars, and movies, style, and jewelry, and all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me? Would you still be calling me? Still be loving
my mouth. I really need your love. I really need you to free my doubt. I really need your love. Oh, yeah. Just let me free, freer than the open mind, farther than the eyes can handle, freer than the ocean now. Yeah, yeah. Just set me free. Now I need to find release. Set me to the open sky. Now I need to free my mind. Yeah.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, and I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm here. And my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm here. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone.
So I just finished the Glam Squad clients. I did 2 blowouts, and this is how the hair is looking after those 2 blowouts. So safe to say, she's kind of holding it, and I ain't combed her out yet or no. Ooh yes, I'm stupid, but ooh yes, saw that body once I combed her out. So which way do I want to go though? I'm gonna go the way I came. Ooh, okay bitch, yes, okay, let me drive down.
Yeah, it's that bird in the VIP line with the V-time and the East Laurent. She drive a Nissan and she in a P-Mark.